how you doing? This is Kevin Fox from Big Fox Brews. I'm here today to talk to you about beer clean or beer ready glassware. Now, you're probably saying, what the hell is he talking about? Just cleaning the glass? No, we're talking about beer clean. There's a difference. You have clean glassware and then you have beer clean glassware. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to have freshly prepared dishwater that you've just made. You don't want to have any greasy dishes or anything like that, but freshly prepared. I normally like to use a brush. I would suggest that you use a brush after I find it. So we have the brush here. Go ahead, submerge that glass in there, get in there good with that brush. You want to make sure there's no beer pretzels or anything left in there, no rib grease that you might have on the outside because you was enjoying your beer while you were eating your ribs, your barbecue ribs and all that stuff. Nope. Get in there real good with that brush. You come to the rinse, you want to do a heel toe. I don't have enough water in there to do a heel toe. For some reason it kind of drained out, but we can still do our heel toe. Make sure that we have all the bubbles out. Next thing we want to do, this is how you make it beer clean. And this is for the guy that's just at home that doesn't have the proper cleaner that you would have to buy from a beer supply store. Who even knows where a beer supply store is, right? So what you do, you can either use table salt or you can go to your local bar and steal some of the cleaner from them, or borrow some, or get a guy a tip. Get you a little bit of table salt, just like that. Now you want to proceed to wiping that all around the glass. Right now what you're trying to do is to remove all of the soap residue, inside and out, inside and out. All right, and just to make sure that I get all the salt out and off the glass, at the same time I'm rubbing to make sure I'm getting all that residue off. And now, I don't know, I'm gonna see if you can hear this. But this is when you know you have clean glassware. There's a little sound that it makes. That means there's no grease on there, right? Get all that residue and everything off. Then you want to find a corrugated surface. Okay? Set that glassware on there. Go ahead and let it air dry. And you'll be on the road to pouring the perfect beer. Once again, this is Kevin Fox from Big Fox Brews. If you like what I'm showing you, like the video. And if you really like me, subscribe. All right? Talk to you later.